So the Sheffield World Health Organization simulation, or SheffWHO, this was an event that was started 3 years ago. And it has a bit of a connection to me and to the Talk Public Health team because all of us were on the initial committee that started SheffWHO. And to see it blossom into the event and organization that's been 3 years later, has been very rewarding. So today we have a very, very interesting group of persons that we're interviewing on Talk Public Health, and I'm going to let them introduce themselves. So just jump right in.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for inviting us. I'm Angélica Cabello. I am the president of the SheffWHO in Sheffield University. And here with me,
Alejandro Gonzalez. I'm the Vice-President.
So why don't you give people a bit of an idea about what exactly is SheffWHO?
Yeah, of course. Well, SheffWHO, it's a great experience for us public health students. So every year we make this simulation as the World Health Organization, and people from all over the world will be here, and we will have great speakers. And we try to propose, for example, new policies and share our ideas globally. And this year we have a super interesting theme, health in the digital world.
Oh, that sounds very, very interesting. So what would you tell the people who are like, oh, this topic, it sounds a bit technical for me. Like, am I going to be able to actually handle doing this? Like, what would you tell people who are a bit hesitant about, purchasing a ticket and being involved in this conference? And why do you think that digital health is such an important topic for public health students and young professionals to learn about?
Well, I think this could be explained a little bit easier when we talk about the sub-themes we'll cover during the conference. We know technology is in our everyday lives. So talking about how technology influences health is also very important. For example, we're going to talk about telemedicine, which is in basic terms how to provide healthcare from a remote area. Also about automation in healthcare, the influence of media in healthcare, and also the impact social media has, for example, in mental health. And also very important is the collection of medical data. So a lot of countries have proven how electronic medical records are useful in healthcare access and provision. But another challenge that arises when we collect such important information is how we protect that information.
So we can discuss and talk how other countries see the influence of technology in their health systems. And we will be super glad to hear the ideas of all the people who will join us in this conference and talk to us about the ideas of technology applied in health.
So where exactly can they get more information? Where can they purchase their tickets? And is there anything else that they need to know?
So this is also an opportunity not only for healthcare professionals, but also for people who are involved in information technology systems.
We invite also people from law, people from social sciences.
Because we are all exposed to technology. So having different perspectives, not just from the health sector, but from people from different disciplines, is going to make it such an enriching conference.
Our conference will be the 27th, 28th, and 29th of March of this year. So we invite you to run and buy your ticket through the website or through Facebook in our page that is www.sheffwho.org. There's the link in the front page to buy your tickets. The tickets include the 3 days of conference, the venues, meals, a social, and also training session. So it will be a super nice experience, a lifetime opportunity. So we hope you can join us.
So for those of you folks listening, go and visit. That's www.sheffwho, that's SheffWHO.org, so that you can go ahead and pick up those tickets. And for those of you who are, interested in the technology on the social media side, SheffWHO has its social media bits. So I see there's SheffWHO on Facebook, there's SheffWHO 2020 on Twitter, and SheffWHO on Instagram. If you like Talk Public Health, you'll love SheffWHO. So we'll go from there.
Thank you so much for inviting us.
Thank you.
Definitely. Thank you.